So I'm actually at work using the lathe at work. My lathe at home is not quite accurate enough for this, but I'm going to go ahead and be boring out this XR80 cylinder. So I'm going to shoot a little video of doing that right now. Now it doesn't have to go very far. I mean, as far as machining goes, it's half of a millimeter, so about 20 thousandths of an inch is all I'm taking off. But I figured maybe you guys would like to see it. So here we go. Okay, so we've got one pass down on the boring job. Now I'm going to show you what I do to measure the parts. You want to go all the way to the piston skirt with your micrometers. If you don't have micrometers, go to a machine shop. Alright, so that is 1.8, and then we go 75 plus 15, so 90. 1.890 is our target that we're going for. Now you actually want to go about 1 thousandths. It's actually 1.4 thousandths, so 14 ten thousandths over that. So we want to be at about, of course we want to leave just a hair for honing, which I have a hone at home, so I'm going to use a telescoping gauge here to lock into the bore and get the exact measurement here. So I'll try and show you that. I've taken off about 10 thousandths off the original factory bore, so we should have about 10 thousandths left to go. Okay, we actually have a little bit more than that. We have 12 thousandths to go. So we're going to make another pass. We're going to take another 10 thousandths and see what happens. We're going to take our telescoping gauge, See if I can get a good angle here to show you how this works. Okay, so it's in the hole. You want to hold it perpendicular to the bore that way, and then you want to take it and just twist it, just pivot on the board. If you do it right, it should fall out after it gets past the center line. Alright, let's see how I did, if I totally botched it or if it's perfect. Oh, look at that. 16. And my target was 15 because that's the size of the piston, but we want 14 10,000ths, so we want about 1.5 thousandths clearance for the piston. So I've got about 0.4 thousandths of an inch to hone it out, and then it'll be just perfect, just dead nuts on.